Ancient history supports the idea that people from various geological and societal groups believed in and taught reincarnation. History scholars even suggest that reincarnation was long ago believed in and taught by the Roman Catholic Church. However, reincarnation was discarded and prohibited as a church doctrine by the Roman Catholic Church around 553 AD. Reincarnation, as a consequence, gradually became a lost concept to most people. In more recent times, historical research, the evolution of consciousness science and new paradigms of matter and energy, paranormal experiences including thousands of well-documented near-death experiences, channeling, ESP, telepathic communication, etc., have revived thoughts in the minds of people across the globe that reincarnation may indeed be the answer for the great mysteries most people ask and wonder about at one time or another, which is why are we here, and who are we? Consider the possibilities that could occur if more and more people seriously studied and adopted reincarnation as a belief system that they actually honored and lived by. It could begin to put an end to abuse and mistreatment of all kinds, petty bickering, blaming others, personal prejudices, backbiting and slander, as well as all the other harmful and offensive behaviors and acts that we perpetrate on each other. If we truly believed that our death was not an end to be feared, but an opening to a new chapter that would result in being reborn into a new life as a different human being, leaving the world in a better place would take on new meaning. This new self as a new human being could be born anywhere in the world, to any ethnic or cultural group, to any parents of any educational or economic level, either as a male or as a female, or indeed to any human circumstance whatsoever. If taken seriously, this belief would most likely have a huge impact on human behavior and relationships. Having this clarity would surely open our minds and hearts to treat one another with far greater compassion and understanding. If each of us knew and understood that our activities, words, and thoughts affected one another in profound and measurable ways, not just in our present lifetime, but would also affect future conditions and our future rebirths, we would work toward leaving a better world. Instead of apathy and disinterest in the plethora of social problems facing the world today, we would likely become motivated to participate in finding solutions, not just in our personal lives, but in our communities as well. Leaving the world in a better place would not just be a nice message we hear in the mission statements of various organizations, but would have a real and major impact on how we live our lives. It would open our very hearts and souls at a very personal level to the broad-term effects of our every deed, word and thought.